This exercise is called the shrug. This is an exercise working the upper back muscle, the upper trapezius. The supraspinatus is a synergist in this exercise, aiding in elevating and lifting up the upper arm bone, the humerus, but this exercise primarily targets the upper trapezius in elevating the scapula, so lifting up the shoulder. So to begin this exercise, make sure you're at a stance, roughly shoulder width apart, optimal tension in the bands, and then this exercise is not an arm exercise. You're not using the biceps to pull the bands upwards. You are using your upper trapezius muscles to elevate and lift the shoulder upwards. So as you begin shrugging the shoulder upwards, this is the concentric phase. During this phase, you will exhale. This will last roughly 1 second. Once you reach the top of the concentric phase, then begin lowering your scapula back down to its normal position. As you lower your scapula down, this is the eccentric phase. During this phase, you will inhale in preparation for the next concentric phase. And also during the eccentric phase, the duration will be roughly 2 seconds. So it will be slower. Make sure to maintain tension throughout this exercise in your upper trapezius.